Hello student, welcome to the next video of Business Studies class 11 and we are doing sources of finance. So now in this video we are going to study about the next source and that is your commercial bank. So student, you remember that when we were studying about the bank and the functions of bank. So the basic function of bank is to lend money and to uh, give loans and to deposit money. Okay, so अब बैंक क्या करता है जब बैंक we used to save our money and we used to deposit in the bank being a safer side क्योंकि घर पे रखेंगे तो पैसा चोरी हो जाएगा. So what we used to do, we generally used to deposit in the bank used to give us some interest on our saving, and on the another side when the borrower they require money, bank used to lend the money to the borrowers and bank then charge interest on that. And you know one more thing, that the difference of the interest means जो बैंक सेविंग पे हमें देता है और जो हमसे इंटरेस्ट लेता है लोन पे, that difference is actually the earning of the bank. Okay, so being means what's the meaning of bank, commercial bank? So according to the book, what commercial bank, it occupies a vital position as they provide funds for different purposes as well as for different time periods. So different time periods means you can say short term, medium term loan is generally being provided by commercial bank. So they provide fund for different purposes, like for business purpose or for any other purpose. For it, the big industrialists they require money, so they will go to the bank for to borrow it. So there are different reasons for which the funds are being provided by the commercial bank and for different time period. So one more thing here I would like to add up, that it is actually the fund is means it's a kind of borrowed fund, borrowed money. And जब हम borrow करें तो definitely it is the external source of money. Okay, then the rate of interest charged by banks depends on various factors such as the characteristics of the firm and the level of interest rate in the economy. So जो interest rate है वो भी different, वो भी charge जो bank करता है वो किस factors पर depend करता है. Actually it depends on the characteristics of the firm and the level of interest rate in the economy. Economy में क्या interest rate अभी चल रहा है उस पे जो इंटरेस्ट होता है बैंक वो इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करता है, वो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन दीज टू फैक्टर्स एक्चुअली. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द मेरिट्स एंड डीमेरिट्स of commercial bank. So the merits are that timely availability of fund means जब भी आपको requirement होती है fund की आप बैंक के पास जाते हो और बैंक they provide funds. So टाइमली असिस्टेंस टू बिजनेस बाय प्रोवाइडिंग फंड्स एज एंड व्हेन नीडेड. जब भी आपको फंड की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, जिस वक्त भी ज़रूरत होती है उस टाइम पे यू द बिजनेस पर्सन दे कैन गेट द फंड अवेलेबल फ्रॉम these banks. Then secrecy. So secrecy of business can be maintained as the information supplied to the bank by the borrower is kept confidential. So means when the person they want to borrow money from the bank, so what they used to do, they need to do some paperwork also. Okay, so us paperwork mein they need to fill their their income and everything, so pan card number and all. So these all information which is being supplied by the borrower is kept secret, is maintained secret, all these information of business by the bank. Whatever these information has been given to the bank by the borrower, these information are kept confidential, so therefore it is said that it is kept secret. Okay, then it is economical. So formalities such as issue of prospectus and underwriters are not required. This therefore is an easier source of fund. Means whenever the company they require money from by issue of shares. So what the company then used to do, they used to issue prospectus. They used to give the advertisement of the company that now the company they require money. So in all these formalities, some money is required, but whenever the business they require money, they need to borrow funds from the bank. So such kind of means आपको prospectus वगैरह नहीं निकालना, you need not to give any kind of advertisement कि मुझे पैसा चाहिए, ये सब चीज़ों का जो पैसा होता है वो नहीं लगता है, and therefore it is said that it is the easier source of fund, it is economical. Then flexible source of finance means loan from a bank is a flexible source of finance as the loan amount can be increased according to the business need. Means if the business person they require say like 1 lakh rupees, so they will get 1 lakh rupees. If they want 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh, 1 crore, so it is flexible source. Means आपको जब और जितना amount चाहिए होगा, they it will be increase or decrease according to the needs of the business. So this is the merits of commercial bank, and now the limitations are as follows. So the limitations are, so it is a short term financing, then difficult procedure and fixed burden. So the first limitation says that it is a for the short term financing means funds are available for short periods and its extension or renewal is uncertain and difficult. Means whenever the fund is required, it is being provided but for short periods of time only. And if suppose the one wants to extend it or wants to renew it, so it's not means it is uncertain as well as it is difficult too. Then it is a difficult procedure means the bank they used to make detailed investigation of the company's affairs कि आप कैसा काम कर रहे हो, क्या चीज़ें हैं, वो सब चीज़ों के बारे में पूरा इन्वेस्टिगेशन करती है और उसके बाद ही आपको पैसा देती है. So therefore it is said that it is a difficult procedure means banks make detailed investigation of the company's affairs and may also ask for security of assets and personal securities personal sureties. This makes the procedure of obtaining funds slightly difficult क्योंकि ये सारे जो भी काम होता है कि अब अगर सपोज अ पर्सन इज रिक्वायर्ड सम मनी, सो अभी आपको कल पैसा चाहिए बट बैंक के भी कुछ रूल्स होते हैं दैट पूरा आपका इन्वेस्टिगेशन करेगी कि फिजिबल है कि नहीं है, आप पैसे वापस करोगे कि नहीं करोगे. फिर ऐसा तो नहीं बैंक में आपने कभी लोन लिया हो और डिफॉल्ट हो गए हो, तो ये सारे इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने के बाद ही आपको बैंक आगे का प्रोसीजर करेगी, तो इसमें टाइम लग जाता है. सो therefore it is said that it is a difficult procedure, and because of all these investigation it makes the procedure of obtaining funds slightly difficult. Then it is a fixed burden. Fixed burden on whom? Fixed burden on the business person. So interest on bank loan is a fixed burden. मतलब आपने जब पैसे लोन लिया है बैंक से तो इंटरेस्ट यू हैव टू पे द इंटरेस्ट एज वेल. सो इट हैज़ टू बी पेड वेदर द बिजनेस अर्न्स प्रॉफिट और नॉट. सो अगर बिजनेस में प्रॉफिट हो रहा है या लॉस हो रहा है, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट मतलब बिजनेस बैंक को इससे कोई मतलब नहीं कि आपको प्रॉफिट हो रहा है या लॉस हो रहा है. आपको हर महीने हमारा इंटरेस्ट जो भी आपने लोन लिया है उसका इंटरेस्ट आपको बैंक को वापस करना ही करना है. Therefore it is said that it is a fixed burden on the business person to pay back the bank loan with interest. So this is the limitation of commercial bank. So that's all in this video, student, and I hope I make it simpler so that means easier for you all to understand it. And in case if you are having any problem, you can ask me through comment box. So thank you, take care, and please do like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.